Oh, that front facing camera hit. Now that I'm back down on the phones. That's the time lapse joint. That's what y'all was on. Nonetheless, over here at the panel, finish up my nigga rig. I ain't got it in pipes right now. Just got these wires, but I'm finna throw my breakers in. 50 and a 60. Oh, we got 60. I'm a fucking book, you know. I be stay on my shit. Gotta stay on your toes. But I don't have to go. Why would they sell a single point wiring harness with the 60 amp and use 2 wires? It's 8 gauge for the 60. I can go up to 60 feet. Right. 120 volt 8 gauge. I go up to 36 feet. But that's only on the 50 amp. I'm finna see. This shit shouldn't even call me for that much, but it is 19K. I think this is the old AC. I'm gonna get rid of that. These some strippers. I'll do the neutral first. Get in there. Yeah. And me, unconventional me. I don't turn the power off. I leave that shit on. One time. Know what you doing. Don't grab it with both hands. 1, you lit shot. 2, you're dead. I don't know if you did, but you fucked up. You fried. If somebody touch you, or you got both wires and you the complete circuit, you got neutral and hot, they cook too. They gotta hit you with a 2x4 or something. Big boys. I strip this motherfucker with box cutter. The strippers won't do it. With 50, I gotta figure out which one's which. But we'll see if the shit pop. Hope y'all don't fuck up my circuit board. Cause that bitch got Bluetooth. Fucking Bluetooth furnace. I hope I don't have to set the shit up. Sometimes you gotta set the shit up to use it. 8 gauge, kind of thick. It was calling for 2 gauge, but I wasn't going that far, so I grabbed a book. It told me how far I can go. Shit. It's supposed to be for 240, 2 wires. I think the book was saying it's 120 volts in a set of wire and 1 wire. Most shit is 120. But your big shit is 240. Shit. I hate to force it. I feel like I'm like, fuck my shot, bro. I got some AirPods. I didn't know the music be sounding so bad. I watch one of the videos. I don't watch much. Sometimes I have time. I delete the motherfucker. That shit sound like a bogus concert. Get that down. expose the copper. Why they use copper? It's the best conduit for electricity. You can use aluminum, but it's not as good as copper. Lesson for the day. Alright, that's good. I definitely have 2 eyes for the 60, but I got the single point joint on there, so we finna see, motherfuckers. I thought I was gonna have to upgrade this, but I got enough space in here. It's the basement anyway. Airbnb that shut down. Tragic, having some bogus ass brick damage at the 4K brick repair. That shit weak. Out of nowhere. And I still gotta fix that. And the Airbnb shut down. It's alright. My storage not all. Everything. Red, 2 blues, 2 whites. I got too much in there. 4 whites. Why you need all them neutrals? We could do 2 hots on 1 neutral. Let's figure out 1 for each one. 2 blues, a red, and a black. I think that's coming right there. And it shouldn't be that hard. The fuck? Z-fuck, Stanley. Shit. Doggy. Fuck I need to put on that. Crack the motherfucker. There we go. It should be easy like that. Alright, already throw this motherfucker. Throw that shit. Face. Alright. Take you over here. To the joint. Then I'm gonna go change the thermostat wire. You go put yellow on C. Probably should do that right quick. I don't know. They're trying to fuck it up though. Alright, it's my nigga rig. If this works, I'm gonna put it in pipe. If it don't work, I gotta attempt something else. I'm gonna have to go, I'm gonna have to take out that single point wire harness and do 2 sets of wire per breaker. Make it 240, at least the 60 amp. The 50 amp, they say I can go 36 feet off 8 gauge wire at 120. 120 volts can give me 50 amps. All right, so that's what it's saying. 120 volts can give me 50 amps. All right. 240 volts can give me 50 amps, but I can go twice as far. It works with the dough off though, I believe. I didn't see no pressure switch. And I want to tuck these wires better. Shit. Alright. Now, so these motherfuckers, that's where it's at. Am I ready yet? excited when I get this one like I was the first one. The first one took me like a month. I did a whole bunch of shit and it still didn't work. I had to give up for 2 weeks. Got in an argument, got motivated again. Got that bitch going. Alright, I'll be right back. Change thermostat wide. I'll be ready to throw that motherfucker. Be back, Jack.